William Ruto ni gatero no kobora kwendaga nabo no kina wo uchumi iko kwasegetwa ase ogonchoreria kwerire okubona kwereta ko baumurakera Ruto kukwana kurase nyumba yo State House imimucho Nairobi rito kolia lero ni gate birebuna niko uchumega ndata yo kongana asenge nchiyo gotwara liga salike aiga sense ya Kenya na kerigati ya magoli yebintu gokina anane ligoli ryo bosino na boni gate bire serikali nebegatemero biri konyara kuligene kiranyara gokinia na konyara go ligelia mangana uchumi asoko nyarokinya ligesa lyabalimi muri kyoito varino sero no roboti rwa senchira yoboime
Manganama ya kegima ni gagendrete kubwato kwa asabaremi asenchira yo gusiro boremi imeyense ya Kenya rigoriro bwoyo ni gobono liraberia inse ekyokere egetambikere kiya asense moyo boremi gokwana nabariki igoro yo boremi asenyomba yo ya State House memucho Nairobi omurai wense Dr. William Ruto ni gateba eyo negatie chira rwete ekerasweta service ekyo kigendrete goikerana.
Earlier in the year I presided over the launch of the first phase of the subsidized fertilizer program and the inaugural phase of the National Farmer Digital Registration exercise. For the first time in more than a decade, the fertilizer reached farmers in time to prepare for planting, and in that time we delivered 2 million 50 kilogram bag to farmers last season.
Ruto yobaka gokwanira igoro yogo keiwa kweri goriria boyo ni gaine kyabuna chibuni chinyinge kya moyo cyabere chikobwatwago kya sabaremi maiga yogo keiwa rigori asaganiria baremi gotumeka ribagerio eryogo kinarigesa imeyense ya Kenya.
We shall begin to immediately bring down the price of fertilizer from 3,500 to 2,500 per 50 kilogram bag beginning yesterday. And I'm told that yesterday alone, 34,000 bags of subsidized fertilizer were sold to our farmers, a record in a long time. I encourage farmers to embrace better and greater use of fertilizer to increase yields in the coming seasons.
Nigo baigane kyabune serikali nebwatekerenga kyoke yarigoririe ndagera awase budget yensemo ya Agriculture Finance Corporation erabake gokini wakorwa chiringi 1 bilioni berego ika chiringi 1 bilioni 10 asebo igoba uche kubwatirana nababwatani bechinsemo au eryo komenda chimashine asensemo yoboremi.
We are increasing the budget again as an intervention for the Agricultural Finance Corporation for seasonal crop lending from 2 billion shillings to 10 billion. We are also working with the private sector and county governments on a comprehensive mechanization program to increase available tractors and other farm machinery to further enhance the efficiency and productivity of our farmers.
Nabaremi bono nigo baranyoreri bagari ororo ryokwomya chibando cyabo aserigori rya insekegima.
We are now implementing a national initiative to acquire 100 dryers, which will be distributed strategically to various NCPB depots nationwide, with the aim of serving maize farmers as well as cereal farmers at subsidized and highly affordable rates.
Naso kubwatirana ne serikali chech county Ruto nigo agokeire okoigorwa kwebituo awase amoyo abeirega kwenanwa na kugania okubwatirana ne company chechi nyeke eryogo ikera amoya sobwororo.
I'm happy to announce that our partnership with county governments has provided last mile delivery of fertilizer to farmers and will be complemented with the opening of more than 50 distribution centers across the country. We will do more if the need arises. I am asking our county governments to work with us, to work with the National Cereals and Produce Board in opening additional centers where we can make these fertilizers available.
Nekero no muroberi oyobo ko bwato kwa moyo yerigorire insego cia sabaremi ogendrete kwenekiwa ase chinsemo au imeyense ya Kenya. Ngoripoteri ya Ndizi TV ninche Evelyn Osero.